Over the last few billion years, species have appeared and disappeared from our planet like guests at an open house party. Sometimes they've shown up in droves, making the party swell with new forms of life. And other times, the majority of the guests have headed for the exit virtually all at once. The first big swell came about 550 million years ago, when the earliest animals appeared and diversified into virtually all the basic body shapes we know today. 100 million years later, the warm, shallow seas were packed with tiny plants and animals, essentially hors d'oeuvres for a plethora of bigger creatures, like trilobites, conodonts, brachiopods, and corals. But just a million years after that, 4 out of 5 of the world's marine species were gone. Only the rock record can tell us what happened to them, but most ancient rocks have been scattered, buried, or destroyed over time. The best clues we've uncovered so far come from northern Africa, which 450 million years ago was part of a supercontinent near the South Pole. Outcrops dating back to that time contain the track marks of an ice sheet's vast expansion, as well as piles of rocky debris left by its rapid melt. What's more, the mass extinction appears to have unfolded in 2 distinct pulses, one in sync with the ice sheet's growth and the other with its retreat. In other words, it appears that our planet's first major party killer was an ice age. And yet, this revelation has created more questions than it's answered. Much of the life in the shallows probably perished as the growing ice sheet locked up more and more of the world's water. But why did so many deep water organisms disappear along with them? And why did some species survive the ice age only to die as seas rose and temperatures warmed at its end? And why did this particular ice age wreak more havoc on life than any cold snap since? The answers to these questions are probably all out there somewhere, just waiting for us to dig them up. Hey, this is Emily. I just want to give a big shout out to all of our supporters on Patreon. We love making these videos, and we're really grateful to you for making it possible for us to keep making them. Thanks!